Could Samsung be planning to break its own design records with its next smartphone? A recent leak suggests the Galaxy S25 Edge could be the slimmest device the company has ever made, and it's already making people curious. The leak comes from a well-known and usually reliable German source, and it's giving us a detailed look at what might be the most standout model in Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. What's immediately catching attention is the phone's thickness, or rather, how thin it is. According to this leak, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be just 5.85 millimeters thick. That's incredibly slim by today's standards and even thinner than many older compact smartphones. Along with that, the phone is said to weigh only 163 grams. That's very light for a phone that still has a large 6.7-inch display. To achieve this, Samsung is reportedly using a titanium frame, which is both strong and lightweight. We've already seen titanium used in some recent high-end phones, and Samsung seems to be following that same path. The back of the device is covered in Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and on the front, there's something new, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. This differs from the Gorilla Armor 2 protection that might be used on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It looks like Samsung is experimenting with a mix of materials depending on the model. As for design choices, the leak also mentions a few fresh color options. The Galaxy S25 Edge could come in titanium silver, titanium isoblue, and titanium jet black. These finishes seem to match the phone's sleek and premium appearance. Now, moving on to performance. Despite its thin body, this phone isn't cutting corners on hardware. It's expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's upcoming chip for flagship Android phones. The Galaxy S25 Edge may also offer 12 GB of RAM, along with storage options of either 256 or 512 GB. That's pretty standard for top-tier devices. Camera-wise, the leak suggests Samsung will include a 200-megapixel main camera on the back, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies, the front camera is expected to be 12 megapixels as well, which matches what Samsung usually offers on its premium phones. These specs should be enough for most users who want sharp photos and detailed shots. But there's one part of this leak that might not sit well with everyone: the battery sides. The Galaxy S25 Edge is said to have a 3,900 mAh battery. That's about 1,000 mAh smaller than what the Galaxy S25 Plus might come with. In simple terms, Samsung had to shrink the battery to keep the phone super thin. Now, while the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is supposed to be more power efficient, and Samsung often does a good job managing battery life through software, that thin design could still come with a cost. A high-resolution 1440 screen and strong processing power will likely use more energy, so people who use their phones heavily throughout the day might find themselves reaching for the charger more often. It looks like Samsung made a bold choice here, going all in on making a phone that's light, slim, and stylish. In a market where many phones are getting larger and heavier, this could be Samsung's way of doing something different. Whether that trade-off is worth it will depend on what each person values more: style and ease of use, or all-day battery life. If you prefer a phone that feels light in your pocket and easy to hold, the Galaxy S25 Edge might be perfect for you. But if your main priority is a battery that lasts well into the night, it might be worth waiting to see what the regular S25 or the S25 Plus have to offer. If you found this video helpful or just want to stay updated on more tech news like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.